Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my journey of designing a cozy home for Dinky Dip. The Cozy Home for Dinky Dip is a DIY organizer designed specifically for Dinky Dip bottles, offering practical solutions to common challenges you may face when you're using these tiny containers. In this video, I'll explain what kind of challenges I've personally encountered when using Dinky Dips as a calligrapher. Plus, I'll showcase the design options I've come up with, and it'll be fun to see which one is your favorite among those. If you're a calligrapher or have an interest in calligraphy writing, this video will resonate with you more. However, even if you're not, it's okay. You can still join in on my creative endeavor. Then without further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's begin with what Dinky Dip is. If you're a calligrapher and not using Dinky Dip yet, I highly recommend it for two important reasons. I'm not sponsoring anything, but I'm recommending it for your own awesome benefits. The first issue arises when you try to dip your nib into the original ink jar. In many cases, your nib doesn't fully immerse into the jar, making it less suitable for writing. The second concern is about avoiding contamination of the original ink. Dipping directly from the original container may introduce color residue or even water into the ink, potentially compromising its quality. I want to preserve the ink in the best possible condition. That was why I prefer using Dinky Dip in my practice from the beginning. But as I started accumulating so many Dinky Dip bottles, I began encountering these issues. Number 1. Over time, these Dinky Dips multiplied, like bunnies, all looking very similar. I couldn't distinguish between them, especially when they contain the same color but different ink. So I usually open the cap and smell the ink, or test write with it to confirm its identity. I don't mind doing this, but I thought I could save the time for more practice. Number 2. I often transfer the ink to another Dinky bottle, only to later discover that I already had that ink in a different Dinky bottle. What a bummer. I might save more ink if I could easily see all the ink in the Dinky Dips at a glance. Number 3. You know how quickly your desk can get disorganized after your practices, right? These caps are so small and transparent in color, making it quite easy to drop or misplace them. So, I made this. I'm going to quickly explain the benefits of having these cute labels. These Dinky Dip bottles are too small, with no place to write down the name, making it quite difficult to recognize them. So I got this idea to add a label that has space to write the name of the ink as well as provide a color sample. It attaches to the top of the bottle like this. And they come in 4 different variations for the design. Mama Bear, Lightbulb, Fishtail or Bean Sprout, I'm not sure which name is better, and a simple ribbon. Now I can easily grab the ink I want to use without needing to smell or test write with it. They are now in their cozy home right where they belong. They're nicely organized and look adorable as part of the calligraphy desk setup. I felt much lighter after resolving those issues with the help of Dinky Dip labels and the home. It really is a practical solution for me, and I realized its usefulness more after trying it out. If you also enjoy the process of creating this cozy home for Dinky Dips, or if you think you need this solution as well for your practice, please leave a comment. I'm actually looking for a way to make them available to you all. Because when I posted this on my Instagram, a lot of people messaged me expressing their interest. So please let me know what you think. Could this be one way to make your calligraphy practice more seamless and enjoyable? Still deciding on a name, is Fishtail better or should I go with Bean Sprout? Please let me know in the comments. This is it for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Happy writing!